Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect LinkedIn marketing with Canva for company branding, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect LinkedIn marketing with Canva for effective company branding, start by logging into your Canva account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up with your email or through a social media account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Click on the Create a Design button to choose a specific template for your branding needs. Canva offers various templates suitable for LinkedIn posts, banners, and infographics. Select the type of design you want to create, such as a LinkedIn post or banner. Customize your selected template by modifying text, colors, and images to align with your brand identity. Incorporate your company logo and brand colors to make your design recognizable. To access your brand assets, open the Brand Kit option in Canva if you have a Canva Pro account. Upload your logo, fonts, and color palette to ensure consistency across all designs. After customizing your design, save your work by clicking on the Download button in the top right corner. Choose the file format best suited for LinkedIn, typically PNG or JPG for images. Now, it's time to log into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your company page or personal profile where you want to post the design. Click on the Start a Post field to create a new update. Upload the design you saved from Canva by clicking the photo icon in the post creation area. Add an engaging caption that resonates with your audience and highlights your branding message. Consider including relevant hashtags to increase visibility in your industry. Once your post looks good, click the Post button to share your design with your LinkedIn network. Monitor engagement on your post to understand how your branding resonates with your audience. Leverage insights from LinkedIn Analytics to refine your future marketing strategies. Whenever you need to create new content, repeat this process to maintain brand consistency. By following these steps, you can effectively connect LinkedIn marketing with Canva to enhance your company branding efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.